Hey y'all, is it just me or do you also love a good project? I've always been a creative type. If I see it, I can do it. So I was getting a little bored with my hair loft and decided I needed a little with my accent wall. Everyone knows my color is turquoise, but over the years, it definitely evolved. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the video of my previous location colors. So I hit up Lowe's to choose my perfect shade of turquoise and landed on Bayside. And y'all know my daughter was so excited to help. She rode that wall in 30 minutes flat. Talk about free labor. All she wanted was a Chick-fil-A meal. While she was painting, I was thinking about how far we've come. From my first store to relocating to Houston and going fully online. It's been a journey. Each step has been about growth and evolution. After we finished painting, I added this sign that screams luxury. It ties the whole room together, and it just gives that extra pop of elegance. Do you like it? I'm obsessed. If you want to see another video of my more DIY projects, just let me know.